Rabbi Kurtz, Mazel Tov on your installation. As you well know, Allentown is a city that thirsts for connection to all areas of religious life, thirsts for Torah learning, Torah knowledge, and Torah scholarship, and pines for a future of excitement and growth. You've already created so much energy, so much excitement in your short time in Allentown, and if I may, share with you a small bracha that you'll be able to characterize your time in Allentown with sentiment that I was able to share with my wife. I would say, Rach, this is my dream job. And B'ezrat Hashem, you should be able to say the same. And I'm pretty sure that people in Allentown are going to be able to say that this is our dream rabbi as well. So, wishes for the greatest of Hatzlacha, and looking forward to seeing Allentown grow and thrive in all areas of religious life. Hatzlacha Rabbah.
My first Purim Gala at Suns, Rabbi Karapkin sent a video clip of himself reclining in a beach chair in Los Angeles looking extremely relaxed. I'm in New York, not LA, so you get me in a tie in my dining room. I loved being the rabbi at Suns, the religious diversity of our membership, the warmth of the community and the different institutions which work together, the devotion of our volunteers, the intellectual curiosity of our members, and just the personalities, the people themselves, people of beauty and depth and humor and wit. I saw an article just last night, an interview with a football coach from Brigham Young University. And he talked about the fact that what he loves as a head coach is having access to people. That's what I felt about being a rabbi in Allentown. I was able to meet and be involved with such wonderful people. I'm endlessly impressed with Rabbi Kurtz, from things I heard about him through mutual friends and colleagues even before he came to Allentown, to our initial conversations about the community, to his fearless approach to the challenges of his new rabbinate, to what I'm seeing him produce day after day. I read the emails from the shul and I see the effort and creativity he's putting into community building as well as sharing Torah. Our sages teach we're supposed to take each person's blessing seriously, so even my blessing counts. And I wish for Rabbi Kurtz that he continue to learn from the people he meets and the experiences he has, that he continue to grow as a rabbi, a counselor, and a leader, and build upon his already amazing skills and accomplishments, and that he find continued success as the rabbi of Congregation Sons of Israel. Mazel Tov.
Hi, dear friends. Daniel Karapkin speaking to you from Toronto. I am so excited and so happy that Rabbi Moshe Kurtz is the new and installed rabbi at Congregation Sons of Israel. I guess it's because every rabbi, every professional loves to see that the work that he invested in continues to flourish and succeed, even beyond, far beyond what he had initially put into it. I look at Rabbi Kurtz as a glorious future for the Jewish community of the Lehigh Valley. Rabbi Kurtz is a great Talmid Chacham, and he is the best and the brightest of a new generation of Rabbanim, of rabbis that are coming out of Yeshiva University and other yeshivot that are producing really very, very thoughtful, learned Rabbanim. And Rabbi Kurtz represents that, and I think that you couldn't have done better. And so, Rabbi Kurtz, it's going to be a true pleasure to watch you continue to grow in your position and to see your hair start to go gray, whatever's left of it, and just to get nachas from afar, to see all of your successes and all of the things that you will do to continue to ensure that the Lehigh Valley Jewish community resurges, rejuvenates, and becomes really, really even greater than ever before. So that's our blessing for you. And let me just finish with a pasuk from Tehillim, Yamim al Yemei Melech Tosif. God, may you add to the monarchy or to the rulership of the king, Shenotav Kemo Dor Vador. May his reign last from generation to generation. That is what King David said about himself as a prayer to God, and we say that for you, Rabbi Kurtz, as well. Mazel tov, mazel tov. What a wonderful, wonderful event. All the best, dear friends. All my love.
Hi, I'm Rabbi Michael Belgrade, and I'm honored to be speaking at Rabbi Kurtz's installation at Congregation Sons of Israel in Allentown, Pennsylvania. I had the honor myself of being the rabbi of Sons of Israel over the past year, and I shared with the Kehillah how fortunate that they were to be getting a rabbi of Rabbi Kurtz's caliber to take over as rabbi of the shul. At the same time, Rabbi Kurtz, I must tell you that it's an honor for you that you have the opportunity to be the rabbi of such a warm, diverse community that is ready to roll up its sleeves with you and to take Sons of Israel into the next chapter of what will be, no doubt in my mind, a successful future. Mazal tov to you all.